detailed, and this is what I like, that it's step by step. It's next day you know exactly what you're doing, and also it's science behind. It's not just opinion. It's all facts, statistics. It's a lot of other researchers all in place, business knowledge. So it's all in place, coming together. Not to mention motivational aspect. So this is supposed to be in every course, I guess, but this is just phenomenal. We have everything in place. It's just you go and boom, you step by step doing what you have to do, and you get results immediately.
Yeah, and it's experience based. It's not just theory. And
right.
It shows you.
It's so I really like, because it's a very systematic approach, and it has everything in place, and it's, every single step is also based on facts and based on a previous knowledge, experience, mistakes. On it's very backed with experience.